Welcome to the Unlock the Secret of Python. Everything you need to know, whether you are the seasoned programmer or just start out. The Python offers the world of the possibility from web development or data analyst. Python versatility makes it the initial tool for any developer. So join us a deep dive of the into core concept and advanced future of Python programming. Let's unlock the secret together. Segment 1. The fundamental of Python. Every journey begins with the basic in this segment. We all cover the fundamental principle of the Python programming from variable and data types of control structure and function. You all build a solid fundamental to support your Python journey. Segment 2. Object oriented programming. Python supports for object-oriented programming sets it apart from other languages. Discover how to create and manipulate object-defined class and implement inheritance object-oriented elevate your code or new level of efficiency and organization. Segment 3. Advanced technique. Ready to take your Python skills to next level? Explore advanced techniques that will supercharge your development process from working with external libraries to implement Express algorithm. You all learn how to tackle challenging problem with easy. Segment 4. Web development with Python. Python isn't just for script and algorithm. It's also a powerful tool for web development. Discover how framework like Flask and Django streamline the process of building dynamic web applications from routing to templating. You all see how Python makes web development intuitive and enjoyable. Segment 5. Data science and machine learning. In today's data-driven world, Python is the independable for data science and machine learning, how to analyze data, visualize insight, and build predictive models using libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. With Python, you can unlock a secret hidden with your data. So congratulations, you are the completely unlocking the secret of Python. Everything you need to know. Armed with the knowledge, you ready to tackle any programming challenges that comes your way. Whether you are the building website, analyzing data, you create a machine learning model. Python will be your faithful companion on the journey ahead. Keep coding, keep learning, and never stop exploring the endless possibility of the Python. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, happy coding.